Good morning. Welcome to MIDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. One request to you, please subscribe this channel and also share this video to your classmates. Today I am going to solve the next question of this lesson, but first let me solve the question that I gave you for practice. Okay? Question of your practice is find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. Solution. Given the first 1000 positive, it means that a is equal to 1, d is equal to second term, it means that 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, n is equal to 1000 and also l is equal to 1000. Because Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, therefore s 1000 is equal to 1000 by 2 into 1 plus 1000 is equal to 1000 divided by 2, then we get 500, and this is 1000 to 1. We multiply 500 by 1001, then we get 500,500. So the sum of the first 1000 positive integers is 5,500,000. Answer. Now come to the exercise question number 10. Question number 10 say, so that a1 a2 dot dot an and ap, where an is defined as below: 1 an is equal to 3 plus 4n, 2 an is equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of first 15 term in each case. Solution 10.1. Given an is equal to 3 plus 4n, therefore a1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. a2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2 is equal to 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. a3 is equal to 3 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 3 is equal to 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. We have to first show that this is an AP or not. Now a2 minus a1 is equal to 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. a3 minus a2 is equal to 15 minus 11 is equal to. Now because a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2, therefore a1 a2 a3 dot 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 are in an AP. Okay, so a is equal to 7, d is equal to 4, and we have to find the sum of first 15 term. N is equal to 15, because Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore is 15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 7 plus 15 minus 1 into 4 is equal to 15 by 2 into 14 plus 14 into 4, 15 by 2 into 14 plus 56, 15 by 2 into 70, 70 divided by 2, then we get 30 is equal to 15, then we get 35. So 15 into 35 is equal to 525. Answer. The second question given, an is equal to 9 minus 5n. Therefore, a1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1 is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. a2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2 is equal to 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. a3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3 is equal to 9 minus 15 is equal to minus 6. Now a2 minus a1 is minus 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 5. a3 minus a2 is equal to minus 1 minus 6 minus minus 1 is equal to minus 6 plus 1 is equal to minus, both are same. Now because a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2, therefore a1, a2, a3 comma dot 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 are in an AP. So A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 5, N is equal to 15, because Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into 4 plus n 15 minus 1 into minus 5 is equal to 15 by 2, 4 into 2, 8 plus 14 into minus 5 is equal to 15 by 2 into 8 plus minus 70 is equal to 15 by 2 into 8 minus 70 is equal to 15 by 2 into minus 60. 62 is divided by 2, then 31. So minus 15 into minus 15 into minus 31 is equal to 15 or 15, 15 to 45, 1 65. So 45 or 1 46. So your answer is minus 465. The next question, question number 11. 11 say, if the sum of the first n term of an AP is term, that is S1, what is the sum of first two term? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, the 10th and terms. given Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. So S1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. S2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now, therefore, first term is equal to S1 is equal to 3. Sum of two term is equal to 4. So common difference is equal to S2 minus S1 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now common difference is equal to second term is equal to second term is equal to S2 minus S1 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So common difference is equal to second term minus first term is equal to minus 2. Now we have to find third term, 10th term and nth term. So T3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to A first term 3 plus 2 into common difference minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Now third term is minus 1. 10th term T10 is equal to A plus 9D is equal to 3 plus 9 into minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 18 is equal to minus 15. Tn nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 into n minus 2n minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2n. Hence first term, that is S1, A1 is equal to S1 is equal to 3. Sum of first term, sum of first two terms is equal to S2 is equal to 4. Second term is equal to 1. Third term is equal to minus 1. 10th term is equal to minus 15. Nth term is equal to 5 minus 2n. This is your answer. Now question number 12. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. First 40 positive integers. Okay, so the a is equal to 6, d is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So you have to write solution 12. Given a is equal to 6, d is equal to 12 minus 6, second term minus first term is equal to 6, n is equal to 40. So we have to find the first 40 terms of an AP. Because Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, therefore S40 is equal to 40 by 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 6 is equal to 40 by 2 is equal to 20, 12 plus 39 into 6, 20 into 12 plus 9 6 are 54, 4 6 3 are 18 and 4 22 is equal to 20 into 236. 1 minute. Sorry, 234. So 246 is equal to save 4920. This is your answer. Now the next question, question number 13. Question number 30 say find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Given a is equal to 8, d is equal to 8 16 second term minus 8 is equal to 8, n is equal to 15. Now because Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, therefore S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 into 8 is equal to 15 by 2 into 16 plus 14 into 8 is equal to 15 by 2 into 16 plus 14 8 are 112 is equal to 15 by 2 into 128. We divide 128 by 2, then we get 64. So 15 into 64 is equal to 960. This is your answer. Now I am giving a question for your practice. Okay, question for your practice is find the sum of first n positive integers. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Good night.